Okay, let me explain about the contour powder, which is we can see surface texture indicator. But this is live cases. It's kind of little tough because the facial has slightly lack of room. Doctor did a good job, as thin as possible, right? But this color is A3.5. They said almost A3.5 and A4. So what I did is my restorations. They indicated A2, looks like, but it's too dark to me. So that one is lighter. So I make the lighter color compared to A2. The issue is internal color will be dark, so my RISI press will get put together so they can get all the way here, get same chroma just compared to other side. Right? So they can cement with white cement, they'll be great. White opaque cement, they can push it and then settle, try and paste it, then they can see the color. We put the little translucency and the subtle calcifications. Everything's we done, made by 3D printed model from Envision Tech. So here's a, and here's what like I said, we can indicate it. You can see the texture, Jason teeth, like that. I have to shake more and down, and then can do better. Subtle light. Then you see the texture.